Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for writing. First, open Notion and create a new page. Give it a clear title like Writing Workspace to keep things organized. Next, add a database to this page. This database will be the central hub for all your writing projects, allowing you to track progress and manage different pieces of content efficiently. It's a simple yet powerful first step to streamline your writing process. Now let's structure your writing database. Add essential properties such as status, type, and due date. The status property helps you track each piece from conception to completion, with options like draft or published. The type property allows you to categorize your work, whether it's a blog post, an article, or a chapter for a book. This organization ensures every project has a clear path. With your database set up, it's time to write. Open any database entry as a full page to access Notion's powerful editor. You can use headings, bullet points, and various formatting options to structure your content. A great feature is the ability to link directly to research notes or other relevant pages within Notion, keeping all your information connected. This integrated approach makes the writing and editing process much smoother. Finally, let's talk about tracking and reviewing your progress. Notion offers various database views, such as a Kanban board, which visually represents your projects moving through different stages. You can easily filter and sort your content to prioritize urgent tasks or focus on specific types of writing. Setting reminders for deadlines within Notion ensures you stay on track and complete your work efficiently, making your writing journey more productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.